In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people on Asana. Whether you're managing a project or simply organizing a team, there may come a time when you need to remove a member from your workspace. This task is important for maintaining the integrity and focus of your team, and it's essential to carry it out efficiently. So, let's walk through the entire process step by step. First and foremost, ensure you're logged into Asana. Once you're comfortably settled on your Asana homepage, your next goal is to locate your profile icon. This can usually be found nestled in the top right corner of your screen. A quick click on this icon will unveil a drop-down menu filled with various options for you to choose from. When you see this menu, your next move is to select the Admin Console option. This selection is key as it redirects you to the main administrative area, hosting all the crucial settings you might need. Once you're within the Admin Console, direct your attention to the Members tab. This section acts as the central hub for managing your team members. Here, you'll find a detailed list of all the members who are currently within your organization. Now, it's time to scroll through until you identify the person you'd like to remove. Positioned conveniently next to each member's name, you'll notice 3 dots. These dots are your gateway to further options. A simple click on these dots will reveal a menu. From this menu, choose the Remove option to initiate the removal process. Once you've clicked Remove, you'll encounter a confirmation step, presenting you with the option to deprovision. When you click Deprovision, it finalizes the removal, ensuring that the person is removed not only from the immediate project, but also from the entire organization within Asana. This step is especially crucial for permanent removals, ensuring that the individual doesn't retain access to any team resources moving forward. Remember, removing someone from Asana is a significant action, so make sure you're confident in your decision before proceeding with deprovisioning a team member. This process not only helps keep your project secure, but also ensures that only the necessary individuals have access to important information and tools. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a person from Asana. By following these steps, you ensure your team projects and organizational structures accurately reflect the current and active participants. Thanks so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.